2, 1, go!
Go,
There they go.
come on, baby!
By the way, you guys, if you want to come to Chris and Rob's the last Thursdays of the month, we're doing a motorcycle night every Thursday night. We've got beer specials, wine specials. Come on, you guys, who's doing this? Who's going good there? No, you can't get a different guy, Pete.
You can do it!
Mike's got almost one completed down here. Come on, Mike, get it in. Get it in. Get it in. Come on, Larry, you're doing weak. You told me you're going to kick these young guys' butts. Come on, guys. We're 40 seconds in, you guys. Come on, let's hear some cheering for people. Come on. There you go. Cheer them up.
Let's go, DJ!
He's not done yet. He didn't give him one yet. He's still going to dodge there. Mike's the first one on one. No, he's still eating that one.
You can do it!
Do it!
Whoa. Don't forget the pickle. You got to get the pickle. Hold it up. This one, we're at 1 minute and 4 seconds. Take it easy, Russ. Oh, and by the way, if you throw up, you're disqualified. So don't throw up. Hold it in. Keep it up. Tyler over here is at a dog and a half. Larry's at a dog. Russ is at a dog and a half. Come on, you guys. Come on. Mike jumped up to a big knee. Oh, he's slowing a little bit at a dog and a half here. Come on, here we go. Also, Chris and Rob, we've got 3 locations. One in St. Paul, it's a brand new location on West 7th, right near the Energy Center. And we've also got a location in South Minneapolis. Come on, Andrew. Come on. Who's the closest to 2 dogs? Oh, Russ has got about 1 bite left. Oh, Kyler really jumped up there at the end. He's really moving. Come on. He's got it. Get him in him. Kyler's on 2. There's our first guy to 2 right there. There's our first one. Oh. Mike's at 2. Where's Mike to 2? Oh, look at the old timer at the end. Rocky, he's on 2+. Come on, get it done, you guys. We're at 2 minutes. 2 minutes, everybody. 2 minutes.
Get this guy out of there.
2. I see a bunch of 2s. Come on, you guys. Who's the favorite? More water. Who's the favorite? Who says Rocky's going to win down here? No? Oh, Rocky, they're not thinking you're going to win. Who thinks Mike's going to win over here? Whoa. How about Ross right here? Whoa. How about Tyler? Oh, Larry's got a changing crowd going on. Here's some more water.
Come on, DJ!
Come on, you guys. We're 2. There's a lot of 2s.
All
There's a lot of 2s going on. How those peppers feeling right now? On Chicago Dogs, we got these great little sport peppers. They taste really good when you have a few of them at a time. 3. We got 3 for Justin. Justin's the first one. We got 3 for Kyler. Russ, he's on 3? You can do it! Russ, come on, Russ. There we go. Come on, Larry. Get it, Larry. Get it, Larry.
Come on, buddy.
We're at 3.5 minutes. 3.5 minutes, you guys. Come on. 2, I see 3. How close is Justin down there to the 4th one? You slow down a little bit at that 3, Justin. Come on. We got Russ. Russ is at 3.5. Is that your 4th one? Here we go. He's going to nail 4 right there. There's our 4th one right there. And he didn't sign up till today. He knew about it over the weekend. Didn't sign up till today. So he's the ringer everybody's got there. He's got 4 dogs. Our record is 6, by the way. It was set by a football player at Roosevelt High School who did it on live television on Care 11 one morning. So you've got to catch him in order to beat him. We're at 4 minutes and 22 seconds. Come on, you guys. Who's got it? Who's got it? We're at 4. Who's close to 4? You're close to 4.
Larry needs your help!
4. I got 4 right here. He's at 4.5. 4.5. 4 minutes, 40 seconds, you guys. Come on, that's 3. He's still on 1. 4 minutes, 45. Okay, let's count it down. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. got down. Here you go. $200 cash, non-taxable. One of the best videos.
Wait a minute, wait a
I've been
here
for years.
Thanks everybody, really appreciate you having the opportunity to do this with us. Come out and see us over on East River Road. And we'll be back next year and do it again.
That's my
Oh, by the way, hey, FYI you guys, I used to do a lot of stuff in Excelsior, and Excelsior is a huge 4th of July celebration.